Tata. Well, Rudolph, what are you watching?
Discovery.
Discovery? Don't play here, man. Put Ezodu.
Never. I don't like Earthlings music. It's too loopy.
You think it's Imenemene and Dr. Dle? It's Umbaqanga, Soul Blooders Collection Volume 3. Aye, it's on.
No, Zuluboy. No, I want to watch Discovery.
Lady, give me the remote before I hit you with my isbu.
No!
Tata! Nizokushaya, Rudolph. I'll hit you, Dwardmark. You're Donald.
That's it. I'm leaving. I can't take this abuse anymore. Back to my mother planet. Bye, Zulu.
Amba. Hey, wait. Can you drop me at KwaZulu Natal? I want to check.
Nope. I mean...
I hate this country. I must run it. But how? Ha! I shall email King Swat to the Pension for requesting an army. An army of 10,000 men to invade the whole of South Africa. Laughing. Dear King Swat to the Pension for, I want you to give me 10,000 men to invade South Africa. Regards, Mnaga, and send. Now all to do is waiting for his reply. Sorry.
You have no mail.
Ha! That was fast. Dear Mnaga, I want another wife. Please send me your picture. Yours sincerely, King Swab, the Pentam 4. Ah! It's no use. The king won't help me invade Chukwula's country. I guess I have to do it all in my own. I have get rid of Zuluboy and his green friend with a chicken feed that I bought from Inyang, and then I shall rule South Africa for all eternity. Are you sure?
Why are you so abusive, Zulu Earthling?
Don't start, Rudolph. I'm not abusive. It's my duty as Induna to be harsh. Because if I'm softy, people will attempt to invade our country.
Nonsense. Who would want to invade this country? Whoa! What's going on?
Aha!
We have to, within our legislation, for our comrades to justify the...
Ladies and gentlemen, as for now, I'm the official president of South Africa. Any questions? There will be a few changes. As from now, on the Mandela Bridge shall be known as the Mnaga Bridge. Also the Mandela Square shall known as Mnaga Square. As for the Mandela Street shall be known as Mnaga Street. And last but not least, only McDonald's shall be known as McDonald's.
Where is Zuluboy and Rudolph when you need them?
Oh yes, you're right. Pak. Where are they? Let's find out, shall we?
Mnaga, so it's you. When I get out of here, I want to beat the clap out of you.
Ahem. Zuluboy and Green Thing.
It's, Rudolph.
Yes, whatever. You trapped in the gas prison.
Yeah, we could see that. So?
So, in 60 seconds, your gas prison will be fumed with exhaust from Bilia, a very dangerous gas.
With which, when inhaled, the nervous system gets shut down completely.
Yes. Also,
the glass prison won't break because it's made from cocoa butter and a tartanade.
Yes. And then after that,
we're gonna die?
Yes. Would you stop that?
Okay.
Anyway, where was I? Ah, yes. Prepare to die.
Oh my goodness, we're trapped. What are we gonna do, Zulu boy?
I thought you were a genius.
You're right. Close your eyes.
What are you going to do?
Just do it.
What?
It worked. Let's go save the country.
And every Sunday we will eat umbito namakota. The flag of South Africa must have my picture on it. I must be able to choose the new wife every week.
Party's over, Manaka.
Ah! All as long as I have my chicken feet electroplasma from Minyanga. Ah!
Tata! Uqumbe.
Looks like you don't have the chicken feet electroplasma from the Anyaga anymore. What are you gonna do now, Manaka?
Ah! I'll be back.
Thank you for saving us from the evil Mnaga. Here are some medals of honor.
Wow! Tabumbeki, you piece of chicken feet.